Iraqi Dinar's path to global recognition, key developments, and what it means for investors. As 2024 draws to a close, significant shifts are happening in Iraq's monetary policy that could have profound implications for the value of the Iraqi dinar (IQD). Investors are keenly eyeing these developments, as they may signal a new phase in the currency's journey toward global recognition. The Central Bank of Iraq (CBI) has announced that it will end its currency auctions on December 31, 2024, a landmark event that could change the dynamics of Iraq's financial system. This is happening as the country prepares to take the next step in its integration into the international currency market. One of the most significant aspects of this transition is Iraq's growing alignment with international standards, particularly its compliance with Article 8 of the International Monetary Fund (IMF) guidelines. Article 8 allows Iraq to fully integrate its currency into the global economy, lifting previous restrictions on the Iraqi dinar. This compliance is key to enabling the CBI to stop the currency auctions, which have been in place for several years to stabilize the dinar's exchange rate. The end of these auctions marks a crucial turning point for the Iraqi economy, signaling that the dinar will no longer be artificially controlled, but instead allowed to float freely on international markets. The Iraqi dinar is now being introduced into a broader currency basket, joining several foreign currencies from countries in the Middle East. This new basket will play an important role in the float of the dinar, linking its value to other regional currencies and international market forces. The introduction of the dinar into this basket is expected to increase demand for the currency, potentially raising its value as it becomes more connected to regional trade and economies. This shift is not just technical. It reflects Iraq's ongoing efforts to modernize its economy and open up its financial system to global investment. For investors, this represents a unique opportunity. As Iraq's economy grows and becomes more integrated into the global financial system, demand for the dinar could rise. With more countries and businesses engaging with Iraq, the dinar will likely experience upward pressure on its value as it aligns more closely with stronger, more stable currencies in the region. A key factor in this transition is the nature of Iraq's currency auctions. These auctions, which have historically been a tool used by the CBI to control the dinar's exchange rate, have kept the currency from fully participating in global currency markets. With the cessation of these auctions, the dinar will no longer be subject to such artificial controls, and its value will be determined more organically by market forces. This, in turn, could lead to the IQD being paired with other regional currencies, such as the Kuwaiti dinar or the UAE dirham, which may help boost its value as Iraq's economy strengthens and diversifies. Many experts believe that the dinar's value could rise significantly once this shift occurs. The demand for the currency, coupled with its increased integration into international markets, could result in a rapid appreciation of the dinar. However, it's important to approach this development with cautious optimism. While the potential for growth is real, the timeline for such a change is uncertain. Economic reforms in Iraq have often been slow-moving, and external factors such as global economic conditions and regional stability will also play a role in determining the dinar's future value. Despite these uncertainties, the ending of the currency auctions is a positive development for the Iraqi dinar. The move is a clear signal that Iraq is preparing for greater financial integration, which could provide a boost to the country's long-term economic prospects. For investors holding the IQD, this could mean significant returns in the future as the currency becomes more freely traded and its value rises in line with increased demand. Looking ahead to 2025, there is much to be excited about for Iraqi dinar investors. As Iraq continues to modernize its economy and open up its financial systems, the potential for the dinar to appreciate remains strong. Investors are advised to stay informed and continue monitoring developments closely, as Iraq's journey toward full economic integration is likely to bring new opportunities for growth. In conclusion, the transition to a free-floating exchange rate and the end of the currency auctions mark a pivotal moment in the history of the Iraqi dinar. While the exact timing of a revaluation is uncertain, the steps being taken by the CBI are a clear indication of Iraq's commitment to aligning with global financial standards. This shift brings both hope and optimism to investors, as the dinar moves toward a more open and dynamic market. The future looks promising, and as the demand for the IQD rises, its international value is likely to follow suit, offering potential for substantial returns. The next chapter in the story of the Iraqi dinar is just beginning, and investors have every reason to stay hopeful and engaged as this exciting journey unfolds.